Ryan Ponce here with Compass, and this is a little December edition. We're going to go over the downtown San Diego market. As you can see, instead of having my normal fiddle leaf here, I have a Christmas tree. But let's get into this. We're going to go over the downtown San Diego market today. It is December 3rd right now, and it's the hottest market I've seen in my over 10 years of selling downtown. Um, it there's very short supply of inventory, and when I say that, it's zero point 0.6 months, and months supply of inventory is calculated by the number of active listings divided by the number of sales happening in a month. And right now there's only 69 listings, and if you take out Hard Rock Hotel, which are condo hotels, they're not really your standard condos, there's only 56 listings in downtown San Diego. That is very short supply. You have to think that includes everything from studios all the way up to penthouses. And so 56 is not a lot to choose from. On top of that, 97 properties went into contract in November, and there were 86 sales in the month of November. So there's only 56 options, 86 sales last month, and 97 properties went into contract. Sorry, I have my notes. There's a lot of numbers in this one. But that is insane. 0. 0.6 months supply of inventory. That's the lowest I've ever seen it. In fact, I went over, we have a data center that we pull information from, and it goes all the way back to 2004, and it's the lowest amount of inventory that downtown's ever seen by far. The next thing, average sales price hit $821, which is the highest it's been in over 10 years. There's only 1 month, going back to 2004, there's only been 1 month that exceeded that, and it looked like a one-off. It was just like 1 month, for whatever reason, one October month had a really high average sales price, but typically drastically much lower. And so 821 average sales price. On top of that, average price per square foot has been pushing up steadily over the years, and now we're almost at $700 per square foot, highest it's been going back to 2004. So really, one important stat that I want to go over is the average list to sales price. Average list to sales price percentage, meaning seller asks for $1 million, they get $1 million, that's 100% list to sales price. The average list to sales price ratio in downtown San Diego for the first time in my entire career, and as far back as the records go to 2004, was over 100%. So it was 100.1%, just over 100%. But that indicates that a lot of people are getting full list price, or they're getting over list price, because you have to remember that the over list price offers will offset the ones that didn't get list price. That's a big deal. I have not seen that in downtown San Diego in my 10 years being here. We've had a lot of properties this year that have had multiple offers and that have gone over list price, which is something that you don't typically see in downtown San Diego. And I want to say about 50% of our listings, actually like 80% of our listings in downtown San Diego, have gotten either 100% of list price or over list price this year, which was really a surprise to me. The last thing I want to talk about, the number of sales per month, or per year, sorry. Going back to downtown San Diego being hot, it's not just high prices. We've had a lot of transactions this year. Typically, an average 12-month period, you'll see about 850 to 900 sales in the downtown San Diego market per year. So in a 12-month period, 850 to 900 sales. And as of November, the 12-month average is actually 1,290. So there are 1,290 sales in the last 12 months. That's a significant increase over the average. And so I think that there's a lot of demand for downtown San Diego, and now all the supply is soaked up, and prices are really starting to push up. Sellers are kind of naming their price right now, and they're getting it. I've seen some crazy sales. We've had some listings where we shot for the fences and got way more than what the seller had anticipated. So If you have any thoughts of selling, if you're watching this, you own a condo and you want to know what your value is worth, reach out to me, because right now is a great time to sell in downtown San Diego. There's no supply. We might see some increased supply in the beginning of next year, but I'm not anticipating it keeps up with demand, because right now there's a lot of buyers out there, and we're really having to focus on off-market deals and trying to find stuff off-market for buyers. So it's a great time to be a seller. Anyway, my number is 619-228-6790. If you're seeing this on my website, there will be a link where you can click and find your home's value. I'll do a custom CMA and everything, a market analysis for you. Anyway, I hope you enjoy December and the holidays, and hopefully I hear from you soon.